Hey guys, welcome back. I'm finally back to doing a video for you guys for today and for tomorrow. I just want to go over some things that are going to be happening this week. Some stuff that's very important for you guys and very important for me as well. So this week we are no longer doing any second grade stuff. So yay! You're going to be doing some more work, but we're going to be adding a step to it. So now you'll be doing some third grade stuff. So yay, third grade, because you're exactly 2 weeks away from being officially a third grader. So congratulations on that. Thank you for everything and how amazing you've been as a student. But we still have 2 weeks left, and I still need for you guys to make sure you go into your assignments and turn in what it is that you need. And I will show you on here real quick how it is that you have to get that done. But before we even get started, Thursday and Friday, you will be Ren Star testing, okay? And what is the Ren Star? Well, you guys already took it once at the beginning of the year, and it was kind of to see where you guys were at. Well, guess what? It's the end of the year, and now Miss Alonso has to see if you have made progress throughout the year and where you're gonna end up. Right? That's important stuff that we need. So this is what we're gonna be doing. So Thursday and Friday for math, you're going to be doing the Run Star for math. That's what you will be doing Thursday and Friday. So Thursday and Friday, I'm not going to assign you any work that you need to do other than just do your Run Star. Tuesday and Wednesday, you will be doing the ELA, the reading part. And I know Miss Solano and Miss Almares are going to be on a live for you guys today, Monday, to go ahead and show you and explain to you what you need to do. I'm going to do it over this video because it's more convenient. I can send it to a lot more people, and just in case you don't get on the live, so I can just do that for you guys on here. So what is the Run Star? Well, like I said, it helps me see what you've learned, where you guys are at. If you've made a growth, if you've grown throughout the year, if you kind of stayed the same. It tells the teachers and our admin a lot of what we have been doing in class. Is it for a grade? I'm not going to take it as a grade, but I do want to see where you guys are at. That's very important to me because it'll help me out to know what I have to do for next school year to help my new students get where they need to be. Do you have to do it? Yes, you have to do it. If you don't get on there and do that test for reading and for math, I am going to call you. I'm going to call your parents. Les voy a hablar a sus papás para que decirles qué pasó, me fallaron. But lately, everybody has been doing really good. If you still haven't logged on, but you're getting my YouTube videos, get on the computer. Guys, you can do it. You can use your phone. You can use a laptop, iPad, tablet, lo que tengan, okay? But use something so you can get that done, okay? So Tuesday, Wednesday, it's reading. Thursday, Friday is math. So you're only going to get work from me for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday for 3 days, okay? Because I still have to give you something. I still got to get those brains going, right? But Thursday and Friday, all you have to do is the Ren Star, okay? So how do we do that? Well, most of you are able to log into Clever. So I'm going to see if this will work for me because if I log in with my code, it just shows other stuff. But I'm going to see if I can do it. I am going to assign it as an assignment. So that's where you guys need to go. Parents, that's where you need to go to the assignments in order to log in to the Ren Star. So I'm going to go to my, well, there you go, right? But I'm going to show you from the very beginning how we're going to do it. I'm going to go to my teams. And I'm going to choose my class. Okay. There we go. And I actually haven't assigned it yet for you. Let me move my head over here. I have it under a draft yet because I don't want to assign it yet. And it'll say Ren Star Math. So there it is. Move my head this way. And you're going to click on this link. I already have the link for you. And it's going to take you to that sheet. Now from this sheet, it's going to give you the directions of what you're going to be doing. Okay, so it is a math test that has multiple choice questions. You'll solve the question and choose the best answer. Okay, guys, make sure you do use paper and pencil when you're taking this test. No me lo vayan nomás ay, déjame escojo este para irme a jugar. No. Do it right, okay? Because I got to see if you have made progress. Because just think about it. Next year, Mr. Madrigal will get your scores and he's going to be like, oh, ¿qué pasó? Miss Alonso no hizo nada. Like, let's not do that, okay? And then it gives you this link. And look, there's instructions right there. You go to Renaissance Learning and you click on math. So you'll go here. You click on that link. And then you'll put in whatever you do to do this. Now, I did take the badge of a student so that I could show you kind of from the student view. And I'm going to do the badge login. I know some of you have them. Okay. Where is it? Okay, so. Ooh. Okay. And then there's the Renaissance Learning. And that's what you're going to click. Okay? Da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da. I'm just kidding. Ya, estar encerrada me afectó. And it's loading. Come on. Please wait. Don't do this to me. I'm recording live here. Come on. Okay. So I don't know why it's doing that to me. I'll do it again. Okay, so it's not really working for me. I don't know why. But it should work for you. But it'll show you this screen right here. That's what I want you to see. It'll show you that, and then you'll get the one for reading, and you'll get the one for math. Tuesday, Wednesday, you do reading. Thursday, Friday, you do math. And then it'll take you to the test, and that's what you'll do. Okay? Once you have taken the test and you did it, you got everything, you'll just put yes and submit it. And that way we see, who did it, who didn't. Okay? So that's what I need for you guys to do Thursday and Friday. Okay? So when? ¿Cuándo? El jueves y el viernes. Okay? Me van a hacer eso. Martes y miércoles el de lectura. Okay? All right. So let me get out of here now. We don't need to be on that. Log out of that. Log out. Okay. Oh. Hopefully this won't happen to you guys. Hopefully. Okay? And then that's it. Now, for the math part, for the regular assignments, okay, so now I'm going to stop talking about the RenStar. For the regular assignments, I have already assigned. Ay, mira, 2 people already did it. How? I haven't even done the lesson. And I'm going to show you the student view. I did it on forms. I might have done it a little bit different, but this is the same thing. Now, it's worth 100 points. It's still an exit ticket. Okay? And it is worth 100 points. You're going to click on the form. And look, super easy. Do the work on a paper. Pick the answer that you think is the answer. Submit. That's it. You're done. 2 questions today. It's either you get 100, you get a 50, or you get a 0. You should be able to get 100 if you do what I did. Okay? All right. Now, what's the lesson for today? Okay. The lesson for today is the following. Today, we're going to be learning about, what are we going to, I'm just kidding. Like I said, we're going to be doing 3rd grade. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to get my stuff. We're going to be doing 3rd grade TEK, and it's the place value chart. Now, most of you are pretty good with the place value chart, which is awesome, because we've done it all year long. Now you're just going to add a little bit more. So what exactly are we going to be doing? Okay. On my files, I have already uploaded an anchor chart. It's right there. So that you're able to see what it is that we're going to do today. Okay. So how to read and write numbers. That's your place value chart. Now, in 2nd grade, we only came here to the hundreds. So we only did ones, we only did tens, we only did hundreds. That was it. Now for 3rd grade, guess what, guys? You're doing thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s, okay? That's what you're going to be doing. Today, I'm going to take it super, super slow, super easy, very, stuff that you would already know how to do. And it's going to be with the standard or numeral form, which is the way that you see it with the numbers, okay? And being able to write it, into the number. That's what we're doing today, okay? Or even into the word form, okay? That's it. That's all we're going to be doing today, just those two things, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. Now, the sheet that I have for you is just this one, and it's just going to the thousands, okay? But I'll do an example of going to tens and the 100,000s just because of your exit ticket, okay? So we're going to start off right here. Now it says, I didn't say, I have 5,465, right? That's my number. Now, I did say we had to do the place value chart. So I'm going to do the place value chart. And I'm going to do it on my notes. Oy. Come on, notes. Samsung Notes. Okay. And my number was 5,465. So here we go. 5,465. Now, I said we have to do the place value chart. Sorry, guys. I have really bad allergies. Okay? So I have my ones. Y'all know my ones. I have tens, hundreds, and I'm going to add the thousands. Okay? You know what? It's third grade T. We're going to do them all. And then I have 10,000s. And then 100,000s. Just like that. Okay? Just so you know, in third grade, after the hundreds, you get a comma. Okay? So whatever number you do, it'll be a comma. Okay, so I'm going to plug in my number. I'm going to start, I always start from this side. So what number is that? 5. Where does my 5 go? In my ones. Then what's next? 6, and then 4, and then a 5. Now, I've already input my number into my place value chart, okay? Super easy. I'm done, right? You would say, oh, she's done. Yeah, that's doing it just a standard regular form, making sure you know each value for each number. Now, what about if I tell you to do it in kind of a word form? Then what? Well, you got to keep in mind that these mean something. So this one is ones. This one is tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay? And it's also on your Anchor chart, just so you know. See, it's right there. No, that's not what I need. Oh, great. There we go. Okay? So what about if I tell you, hey, write it in a word form? All you have to do, guys, super simple, is you already have, we'll do it in green. You already have the value for each number on your place value chart. So how much do you have on the thousands? You have 5,000. Okay? Actually, I'm going to do it in the, I'm going to write it down literally. Ugh. Sorry, guys. Right there. I'm going to do it in the word form. So I have 5,000s. Okay. And then what did I have next? 400s. And then 6,000s. 5 ones. That's it. That's it. That's all you have to learn today. Look at that. That's literally it. Now, what happens when I give you a different scenario? So I'm going to stop doing that. It is exactly what we did right here. So I'm going to write it down. 5, 4, 6, 5. So what happens now if I were to say, here, do this. 2,000s, 300s, 410s, 4 ones. Now what? Okay. Well, you've got to do the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, commas. And all you got to do is plug it in. You go one by one. We're going to start right here. Okay, so what do I have? 4 ones. So where am I going to put it? What's next? 4 tens. Then 3 hundreds. And then 2 thousands. So my answer is 2,344. Guys, that's literally it. That's all you have to do. Now let's do a harder one. Let's say that instead of it's stopping here, we have 10,000. Hold on, give me a second. I'm recording. Sorry. I'm gonna do 8 10,000s, and I'm literally just gonna write it down, and then 100,000. Okay, so I'm gonna do my place value chart again. Sorry about that, it was my sister. And then thousands, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, now all I gotta do is plug it back in. I'm gonna start at this number. How many ones? 9. How many tens? 7. How many thousands? How many hundreds? Nothing, right? There's no hundreds. So what am I gonna put? If I don't have anything, do I just leave it blank? I can, but I always want to do a 0. Then what? I have 7,000. Okay, how many 10,000s? 8 and 1. So my answer is 187,079. Guys, that's literally all you have to do. That's your lesson for today. Okay? Your exit ticket is the following. Let me go to assignments on Teams. It's not the one I wanted. It's still in general. Assignments. And like I said, I've already assigned it for you. Nope, that's not it. Student view. It'll take you to your forms. Look at that. You're going to read it. You're going to draw a place value chart. Draw place value chart. And plug in your numbers, because there's your stuff. And you're looking for the standard form. And it is for both. On a sheet of paper, regular sheet of paper, draw your place value chart, plug in the numbers. You don't know how to do the place value chart, you're going to go back to your anchor chart, and I put it on your Teams under files, and there it is. That's how you'll do your anchor chart. And that's it, guys. That's our lesson for today. Okay? I hope it helps out. Please make sure you watch the video. If you have no friends that haven't watched it, díganles, watch the video. Mi salón se lo puso. And hope it helps out a little bit. All right? I'll see you guys later.